iPhone 12 Pro, new color. It's 512 GB Arabic stock. We will open first. Oh, I think it's from that side.
Yeah, this first thing actually. Wow.
Wow.
Before have cover, no have cover.
Yeah, before it's half cover. Now the system is different.
See, it's similar.
Wow, this is the new color. So beautiful looking, and shiny.
Before dark, a little.
With the charging base system.
What is the different 12 Pro
Yeah,
and
and
12 Pro?
also that's with the front speaker also is different. It's coming up before the speaker is coming up, and also have here's sensor camera.
Yeah.
Three before it doesn't have like that for 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max, because this one has have option for the video shooting and movie camera. Is
Okay.
extra half that.
Show me that 12 Pro.
Yeah, the 12 Pro doesn't have like that options. Yeah, with 12 Pro. What is the difference? This one is the camera's the bigger from that one, and also this one I think is slim. 12 Pro is slim and 12 that one is not full slim. Wow.
Yeah.
We will active the phone. Select the country. We will find United Arab Emirates. Set up, continue, we'll connect to Wi-Fi. And inside is have also original cable. And this one for a SIM eject pin, and also some Apple logos paper and some information papers is have. The box I think is not big and different with the iPhone 12 series. It's needed a few minutes. Set up later, don't use passcode. Okay. Agree.
Oh.
Wow. The looking on also the iOS as the latest version 15 is already updated. The storage 512 and 256 1TB options coming. And we will go to for camera. Oh, choice stylish setup later. Okay, and also have the stylish camera. The video camera cinematic mode. Okay, thank you. You can buy from Roseway Mobile. First come, first take.